Alright guys, here it is. I just got some new tires. I ended up going with the Falken Wildpeak AT3W, as you can see right there. I decided to go with these because I feel like it's a good on-off-road kind of tire. I heard good reviews. It's got plenty of siping here for wintertime, so I'm gonna actually run these all year round. So I do a lot of on-road driving. Unfortunately, I want to do a little more off-roading, but this will kind of give me a good in-between for both. So I'm pretty excited about these. I just got them from the shop. They got mounted. I did get new sensors put on, so I'm gonna have to go back and get them set up for my truck. But right now, I'm just gonna put them on. So here I have one side on. Looks pretty good. And then on the other side, you can see I still have the old tire. Definitely quite the difference. Looks way better. It's gonna look mean. Alright, so here it is, all done. The new tires are on, looking good. I'm super excited about these. Hopefully they'll last me a while. I'm gonna try and keep up with the rotation. Usually pretty good about rotating my tires, so my other ones lasted a while. So I'm excited. These look great, and yeah, let's cut into a little B-roll. Alright guys, I've had these tires on for probably just under about 1,000 miles, and so far I really like them. Most of my driving has been on like the interstate and on roads paved, but they're very quiet. I really like that, and they do have an aggressive look, which is great. But I have done a little bit of off-roading, just some minor stuff, but so far really like them. So they get a thumbs up from me. But I'm going to do a long-term review, do some off-roading, see how they do, and I'm really curious to see how they do in the wintertime. So I'm excited to try them out, but yeah, that's about it for right now. So guys, like and subscribe. It'll really help me out, and I'll appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.